guys, and welcome back to Gravey's Brewery with me, Gareth Goes Gravey. And then guys, for this one, as you can see from the title below, as it's summer and as we need a little something a little bit cool this time of year for a drink, I'm going back a little bit basic with a very simple pale ale. And as you can see from the title, this one is a very simple SMaSH beer, a cluster SMaSH, and there are the particulars as well. 5.2% and 27 IBUs, and yes, as you can see, not even a week this has been in the bottle. So anyway, before I show you the beer, let's roll some footage and I'll tell you what I did. Okay, so as always, in 7 litres of water, I mashed in 876 grams of pale ale malt. I chose Simpson's pale malt. That's the only malt, excuse me. Mashed for an hour, around about 65 degrees. I think I got it to about 64 for an hour. Started my boil, and at the start of the boil I threw in 5 grams of cluster hops at 9% alpha acid. At flame out I threw in a further 9 grams of cluster at 9% alpha acid, which gave me, as you saw from the bottle, 27 IBUs, and I fermented with USO5. Starting gravity was 1048, final gravity was 1009 for the aforementioned ABV of 5.2%. Anyway, no more beating about the bush. Here's the beer. Admittedly, I did have to spin a little head into this, or create a little head, because when I poured it, just before I came on camera, there was no head what to speak of. Colour, as you can see, is a very nice light gold, quite hazy, but again, I have only just taken this out of the fridge. But I hope you can see, in fact you can, for less than a week in the bottle, it's a very nice stream of carbonation making its way up the glass. Very nice. So once again, let's not dawdle. I'm just going to get my nose in this and see what we get. Well, all at the moment, because it's virtually icy cold, all I'm getting really is just the aroma from the pale malt. I can smell a tiny little bit of barley. Just a tiny faint hint of grapefruit. Tiny hint of wheat as well. Okay, so I'm not dawdling. I've been looking forward to trying this one. I'm just going to dive straight in. I need it today. It's absolutely boiling. Cheers. Oh no, on the flavour, again, at the moment all I'm getting really is the maltiness from my grains, the maltiness, excuse me, maltiness, a little bit of a barley flavour, a little bit of a wheat flavour. There's just a tiny hint of grapefruit just on the back end, just on the back edge, that is just sitting ever so slightly on the back of my tongue. But again, at the moment, all I'm getting is the graininess from the grains, basically. I'm not really getting much else. I'm just going to dive in once more, see if I can't get anything else. Oh, now going back in for the second sniff there. I'm getting a little bit more of that grapefruity aroma. Tiny bit of grassiness. A little bit of pine, just a tiny hint of pine. Anyway, just one more taste. And again, just on that one, again, just ever so slightly, I am starting to get the fruitiness. I am starting to get that bitterness from the fruit, or from the fruity flavours. On the subject of bitterness, it's not overly harsh or bitter. There is just that so slight bitterness from both the carbonation, and I think just that graininess as well is just kicking a little bit of bitterness there as well. But it's not actually that bad. Might actually be better once it starts to come to room. So there's not really much more else I can say about it. I'm just going to leave that there now for the rest of the evening, or for a little time. I'm just going to let it come to room, see if I can't get any other flavours or aromas. But all in all, for me, it's a very nice thirst quenching drink. Again, especially like a day like today, it's been absolutely roasting here today, and that was just what the doctor ordered. So as always guys, if you want to give this a go, recipe, link to my recipe, 1 gallon as always, so if you brew more you'll have to scale it up. It's down there in the description. So as always guys, let me know what you thought of this one, and let me know if you've actually brewed something like this before, a little simple smash. Let me know what you did, let me know what changes you made, if any. We'll get some discussion going. If you enjoyed this, as always guys, give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If you want to see more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell to see more of my future video releases. Alright guys, well that's all I've got for you for now. So until next time, from Gravey's Brewery, this has been Gareth Goes Gravy. I'll see you later. Cheers.